Hello students, I Parul Kankani, your English teacher. In the last video, we have started the second chapter. Bukha learns a lesson. So in the last video, we have discussed about the story. We have discussed only the half part of the story. In this video, we are going to discuss the second part of the story. Okay students, so what was the story about? It is a story about a naughty elephant. What is the name of that elephant? Bukha. Very good. So in the story, the older elephants are warning the small elephant, it means a junior elephant, that you should be very careful when you are lying down on the ground, because under the ground there are snails. Then you should be very careful when you are shaking the branches of the tree, because in the hollows of tree there are squirrel. Then the older elephant is telling the small elephant that if you get the news of good food, you should not eat alone. You should always share your food with the other animals also. Now the older elephant is telling the junior elephant that if if any animal faces danger, you should always rush to help them. Yes, all the elephants are listening to their elders with very carefully. But from these all, there was one elephant who is not listening to anybody. What was the name of that elephant? Bukha. Yes, Bukha was a very naughty animal. He thinks that one day he will become very big. He will become the leader of the herd. So he don't need anybody. Okay students, up to this we have studied in the last video. Yes, now we will continue our story. Now the Bukha is speaking with himself that am I fool that I will share any good food that I find, thinks Bukha. In fact, I should be eating all that good food, shouldn't I? I have to grow up quickly. After all, I have to become the leader one day. Now the Bukha thinking that I am not going to share my good food with anybody, because he thinks that one day when he become big, he will become the leader one day. So Bukha breaks off flowers and also branches with nest. He crushes snails underfoot. He squirts water into rabbit holes with his trunk. Yes, students, now the Bukha is harassing everybody. Yes, he is harassing everybody in the jungle. All the animals are tired of his mischief. What is the meaning of mischief? Mischief means bad behavior. One day they complain to the leader of the elephant herd. Please do something. They tell the leader. Bukha is becoming very naughty. Now all the animals went to the leader of the elephant herd, and they all are telling to the leader of the herd that you should do something with the Bukha. Yes, Bukha is becoming very naughty. The leader hears them out and realizes that naughty Bukha needs to be taught a lesson. Now the leader of the herd thinking, yes, Bukha is becoming very naughty nowadays. Yes, he needs to be taught a lesson. That night, like always, Bukha goes to sleep next to his mother's warm side. But in the morning, he wakes up surprised. He finds himself alone on the banks of the small pool. There is simply no one. Now, students, what happened? That night, Bukha, like you are sleeping with your mother, na? Yes, Bukha is also sleeping with his mother. But when he wakes up in the morning, he was very surprised. Why he was very surprised, students? Yes, because nobody was near the Bukha. There is simply no one. Bukha jumps up and searches near the pool. No, there is no sign of the elephant herd. Now Near Buka, there were nobody. Nobody means nor his mother, nor his friend, nor the member of his herd. Buka was alone. He lifted his trunk to catch the smells floating in the breeze. No luck there. Buka feels frightened. He starts crying. What will happen now? Where will he find his parents in such a huge and dense forest? Now Buka started crying. Why? Because he was alone. Nobody was near him. Yes, so Buka started crying. Now Buka is thinking, now what will I do? How I found my parents? Poor Buka turns to the birds, animals, and insects in the forest for help, but they all turn away. Yes, now Buka went to all the birds, animals, and insects for help. Yes, but nobody helped him. Why? Because every time Buka become very naughty. Yes, he always harassed them. So the squirrel says, have you forgotten how you shook the branches and made us fall? Yes, every time what Buka did? Every time Buka shook the branches of the tree and made the squirrel fell down. The rabbit mother says, don't you remember how you poured water down our holes? We nearly died. Now see how it's feel. Serves you right. The butterflies too refused to help him. Now the Buka went to the rabbit mother. But the rabbit mother refused to help him. Yes, because always Buka become very naughty and he always harass everybody. Yes, now the rabbit mother is telling that what is happening with you is right only, and the butterflies also refused to help him. Buka started crying and then he fall asleep crying beside the pool. Yes, this night the Buka was sleeping alone near the pool. Next day, when he wakes up, he finds himself sleeping right in the middle of his herd, next to his mother's warm belly. Yes, now what happened? When the Buka was sleeping in the night, he was alone. But in the morning, when he wakes up, he finds himself near his mother. Was that a dream? Thinks Buka to himself. After that day, no one complains about Buka ever again. Yes, students, now the naughty elephant become a very good elephant. So students, what we learn from this story, you should always remember, however big you are, you might face danger if you are alone. Yes student, you should never harass anybody. You should always help other people. Okay students, bye bye, take care. And students, remember you have to read this chapter one time at home. Bye bye.